Hello everyone, welcome back to Discover Agriculture. Have you ever tasted a fresh strawberry in winter or seen tulips blooming in peak summer? Sounds magical, right? Well, it's not magic, it's greenhouse farming. Today, we are diving into one of the most revolutionary methods in modern agriculture. And trust me, it's changing how we grow food forever. So, stay tuned because this video might just change the way you think about farming. Imagine growing crops anytime, anywhere without worrying about hard sun, freezing winters, or unexpected rain. That's the power of greenhouse, a controlled environment that helps crop thrive regardless of outside weather. Have you ever visited or tried setting up a greenhouse? Let us know in the comments. Inside a greenhouse, you control the climate, temperature, humidity, and even sunlight. This means fresh tomatoes in December and lush flowers all year long. More crops, more harvests, more stable income. This is perfect for small farmers aiming to grow during off seasons when prices are high. With smart irrigation systems like drip irrigation, water goes directly to the roots, reducing wastage up to 60%. In water scarce area, this isn't just efficient, it's essential. Want to grow more with less water? Then greenhouse farming is your answer. Say goodbye to pests, extreme weather, and random fungal attacks. Greenhouses act like a natural shade, reducing the need for harsh chemicals. Fewer pesticides, healthier plants, safer food for your family and customers. Controlled conditions means perfectly ripe, colorful, and tasty crops every single time. Your fruits and vegetables not only look better but also often have more nutrients and last longer. That's great for both local markets and premium buyers. Do you have a limited land? Then no problem. Greenhouses support even vertical farming, letting you grow up instead of out, which is perfect for urban areas, rooftops, and even small backyards. More crops, less land equals more profits. Less transport, less wastage, and more local production. That means fewer emissions and eco friendly farming that supports your community. Want to farm sustainably and profitably? Greenhouse is the way forward. Inside a greenhouse, you're the weather god. Set the perfect temperature, light, airflow, and even nutrients through hydroponics or aquaponics. This level of precision farming opens the door to crops that were once impossible in your region. Imagine growing lettuce in Rajasthan or broccoli in Kerala. Greenhouses let you grow premium crops, exotic flowers, herbs, specialty veggies that fetch top prices. With reduced losses and consistent harvest, your earnings can skyrocket. Bonus: you can even sell seedlings, saplings, or run workshops for an added income. The future is bright and it's under a greenhouse. Greenhouse farming is not just a trend, it's a transformation. It's about growing smarter, conserving resources, and producing healthier food, all while increasing profits. Whether you're a small farmer, a beginner, or an agri entrepreneur, this is your sign to explore greenhouse farming.